My name is Dr. Rashmi Shah and I am specialist in fitness and nutrition. I am born and brought up in Maharashtra and completed my graduation in homeopathic medicine, and then I went to USA to complete my dream degree, and that is specialization in fitness and nutrition from International Sports Science Academy. I am also a child nutrition specialist and a youth fitness trainer too. I have worked with people from all walks of life. Your healthy weight is important, but that's not the only factor or the only parameter to know whether you are healthy or not. Being healthy is simply means being active, eating well, sleeping well, and being hydrated and being calm and peaceful. Whoever you are or whatever is your profession, maybe a doctor, lawyer, or any profession, we all need a healthy lifestyle. To achieve this, we all need to exercise regularly and have a smarter food choices. Sadly, we always check our health in the numbers. Means we always think that if we are in our ideal weight or a healthy weight, then only we are considered as a healthy. But it's not the truth. Of course, your weight is important. But that is not the only parameter you check when you think yourself healthy or not. My strategy is very simple. Being a doctor, I always encourage all my clients to have a medicine free life. Think your health beyond the numbers. Don't run behind the numbers because health is much more than that. Making a smarter choices, exercising regularly, and having a conscious mind so that you have less cravings and have a better control on your eating is much more important when you want to achieve a healthy lifestyle. Being a doctor, I always encourage all my clients to have a medicine free healthy life. Whenever you are prescribed some specific medicine by your doctor, of course you should take it, but try to achieve that lifestyle, that life, that healthy state where you can live healthily without taking any medicine. Nowadays, we are affected with lot of lifestyle disorders like diabetes, PCOS, thyroid, BP, and a lot of them. But is the medicine only solution for this? Definitely not. For example, if a person is having a diabetes, you can't give them just a medicine, and if that person keeps on eating sugary food, it is not going to work. What he should do is avoiding sugar completely, and then the medicinal treatment will work. For all these lifestyle disorders, along with medicinal treatment and your doctor's advice, what is needed for you is a lifestyle correction. After working for 7 years in USA, what I have understood is changing the way we look at our food and we think about our health will make a whole lot of difference in your life and your health. I do not recommend any artificial pills and powders and supplement. What I strongly believe is healthy eating and a healthy home-based food that is doable and sustainable for a lifetime. Diet does not mean having only soups and salads, but diet means eating right food on right time and in right proportion. More than a body shape or a number, what is important is nourishment of the body. Your each and every part of the body should get a right nutrition. Your skin should have a glow, you should have a lesser or a no hair fall and a silky smooth hairs. This is a sign of being in a healthy state. Sleep well, hydrate yourself well, and then you will see, along with diet and exercise, your pointer will start going towards left and you will achieve a healthy state soon. I never recommend any crash diet or any fat diet or any spot reduction or quick fixes, because that is not true, that is not scientifically possible. I always encourage each and every of my client to eat healthy, to have better food choices, eat simple and homemade food rather than having something fat diet or something quick fixes or very low calorie diets. Meditation is one of the best technique to have a better control on your stress level. This will teach you to have a power so that you can manage your stress well. And I have transformed more than 3000 plus people's life by correcting their lifestyle. I have seen them being healthy, happy, fitter and better. There is no other joy to see the people around you and feel blessed that you are living in a world of fitter and better people.